Hi Alia, hi Arjun, welcome to our show.
Hi.
Yeah.
So excited.
That's nice, loud and perky. I was just telling her in the highway interview, she was like so tired. I had to, like after 2 questions, she would like give one like lame answer. So I guess she's making up for it this time.
Wake up.
I'm up.
Arjun, you know, you said about how you were like the last assistant on Kal Ho Na Ho in Karan Johar's film to actually bagging a Dharma film in the lead. How does that feel?
Surreal.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people know my first paycheck was a Dharma Productions paycheck signed by Yash Johar. And so I have a genuine emotional bond with the production house and Karan. So for me it was in a very strange way coming back home to where I started also in that way. And I was really happy that they chose me for 2 states.
Alia, did you ever think about assisting a filmmaker or anything? Or did you always want to make a royal entry like you did?
I wanted to be an assistant after doing one film.
So after student you wanted to
I didn't know about assistant director and all. I had no
So
clue.
you had no concept whatsoever.
I had no clue, but I feel I'd make a really good assistant.
Really?
Why do you
Yeah,
think so?
a really good assistant because
Why?
I'm very interested in like giving clap and like screaming silence and like making sure everything is in order and like I mean during highway I used to look and check for light. I mean I want to do everything. I want to do everything in a film.
Do you think you should make a good assistant, Arjun? You've been there and done that.
I mean,
I make a clumsy assistant, but I make a good assistant.
yeah, I didn't want to say that. She would be tripping all over the place, but she would be a massive distraction for any person acting in front of the camera. There's such a beautiful assistant off camera.
That's true.
That's true.
Tell me, have both of you read the book? 2 states. You
I
have?
Yeah.
No, you haven't.
Yes. I read it in fact much before I knew it was going to be made into a film. During while I was shooting for Student.
So what was the reaction when you read the book?
I
Did it
loved
attract you
the
right
book.
away?
I loved the book and
Yeah.
I was absolutely in love with the characters and the story and I didn't know it was going to be made into a film, but I always had a feeling that it would make a very, very good film. And I never, in the world thought that I would be playing
Actually working in this film, yeah.
Ananya's character, yeah.
Alia, are you much of a method actor? Do you like go deep into the role and analyze it? Or you like just more spontaneous and just let it play out?
No, I have no method.
Yeah.
No,
There's
but
no method to your madness?
no method to my madness. But I mean, what happens with me is after shooting, after doing one schedule probably, and getting a little into the scene, then I get into the skin of the character. I try to be like the character as much as I can rather than getting my personal self into the character because I mean, there's already a person created over there. There's no
Right.
need for you to add another person. It becomes a big conundrum.
Yeah. What about you, Arjun?
Each film has a different preparation. I don't believe I have a method actor within me.
Yeah.
So every film has a different, I guess, preparation. 2 States was a lot about not being over-prepared also because it's a lot of conversation. What happens?
Conversational chemistry kind of thing.
Yeah, so what happens when 2 people are talking, it's nice to overlap, it's nice to go, it feels more natural. So there's no point over-rehearsing or over-analyzing
Right.
it.
You have played all your movies till now very intense characters, be it
Correct.
Gunde or Aurangzeb.
Correct.
So when you're playing a very intense character, isn't it tougher to detach? And I mean, you've done a very intense character in Highway. So isn't it tougher when you're doing an intense character?
It's very difficult.
It
I mean,
is,
for me,
right?
at least, I had a very hard time.
And just your second film.
I had a very hard time
Yeah.
detaching from Highway.
Also, it's difficult to quantify and just call it intense. The thing is, their emotional journeys are different for every character that you portray. So, I wouldn't want to go into Parma was like this or this one, but they all have had different journeys. So, like she was saying, you just invest in the character and just try and be honest to that.
Yeah.
Not beyond that, you don't. You can't think about whether it's difficult or easy. If there is an emotion, you try and be honest to it. So you'll feel it. You're as a human being in that moment, the anger eventually builds inside you also. So when you're doing a scene, you have to feel actual anger to be able to portray it. You have to feel that emotion. But that does not mean that I am going to be that angry the whole day. It is just in that moment, you create an honest moment and then you disconnect from it.
Alia, somewhere you said that, Arjun's confidence blew you away. Tell us about that.
Did you?
Did I?
Yes, you did.
You must have if she's saying it.
Yeah.
Zoom bolta hai to sach hi hoga.
God,
I don't know
good
where
one,
I said
Arjun.
I don't know where.
No, you have. But I'm sure, do you feel that way? Even if you haven't said it. Say for a minute you haven't.
I know where you said it. You said it in some magazine,
magazine interview.
Last year, but not this year. Before Highway happened, you had said it. It was
I said your performance blew me away.
No, you had spoken about. I remember. I read it. I remember now. It was for
But do you think, he's also
Filmfare
fairly
only.
new.
It was when you had done an interview.
It is a Filmfare interview.
See, so much confidence. I can touch you.
So, I don't mean confident in a very arrogant way, but he has this certain ease when he's in front of the camera, and even when he's saying his dialogues, which something that I wish I had, and I've actually learned a lot from. That he makes it his own, you know, and he makes the place his own, which is something that I learned.
You know, Alia's ex-co-star Randeep Hooda was saying that her maturity, in Highway.
I like how it's ex-co-star.
She was in maturity. If we're talking about maturity, she's way beyond her years. Do you think so?
She is.
Yeah.
There's no two ways about it. I think the beauty is that she doesn't carry it on her shoulders. She doesn't like to flaunt the fact that she's been through her shares of ups and downs, and she's been through her share of upheavals and growing up. We all have our own struggle and journey in life. She doesn't flaunt it, but she's learnt a lot from it, and she's a very grounded soul because of that.
So did you have to work very hard on the Tamilian character? The nuances of the language? Did you pick up any of that just to...
You know, initially I was very excited about this Tamilian, this thing. So I thought I'll be doing speaking some words, saying the t's a different way, saying the t's a different way. But Abhishek clearly said no, that she's not a caricaturish Tamilian, she's a normal girl. But, I mean, there are certain things that I've tried to pick up because, you know, South Indians in general have this very proud demeanor about them. And the way they look at people is a certain way. So Abhishek gave me certain references of people. Just like observe these people. And this is how they look at you.